Hi, it's Harriet here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notification, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're going to clean the chickens out, but first I'm going to get dressed. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go and get my shoes on, and then we're gonna clean the chickens out, and we're gonna get the eggs. Hi guys, now I'm ready. Now we're gonna go outside. Follow me. Here, now that's Lily.
Which one?
That one. The cocktail there. And that one's Teddy Bear. That one is Honey Bear. That one down there is down there. That one there, behind that one, is Queen Bear. And now I'm gonna let them out. Shall I? I can't do it. Well, I can't do it.
That's what Tots. You're going to peck your fingers. That's not going to do it.
Can't do it.
What are you trying to do?
Yeah.
Quick before they peck your fingers. Open it. You have to grab it quick.
Oh, the one here. I've done it. Dad, it's toy. There you go. Now let's see the eggs.
There's any in there. Let's have a look.
No.
No.
Let's clean it out.
Where have the chicks gone?
There. What's out for two? Honey Bear. Honey Bear. Honey Bear. Honey Bear likes honey. That's over there. That's the sofa. Queen Bear. That's Queen Bear. Let's do that. There you are. Queen Bear. Dad, are we going to clean them out?
Yeah, shall we clean the chickens out now?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and get some bits, shall we?
We need some hay, a bucket,
Yeah.
a spade and a shovel.
Oh, we need a few bits then. Do you know where all this stuff is?
Yeah.
Okay, let me follow you then. Let's go, let's go. Let's get all these bits for the chickens. Where are you going, Tots? Where are you going?
I'm going to get the bit.
Oh, okay. Where are we going? In here?
Yeah.
So what do we need in here then? Wow, this is dark.
Okay.
Oh yeah, what's we got there? Oh, it's a nice straw. What's that we got? Oh, we got a rake. What's that we got?
Shovel.
Okay. The shovel, shovel.
Let's get that off. Oh no, I forgot the watering can.
Oh, where's that at?
It's in the garden next to the chicken.
Oh, come on, let's go then, you silly sausage.
Look, it's full with water.
Oh, is that it? Is that red one?
Wait.
The chicks are interested, isn't it?
Okay, here it is. Full. Now, go. Go, guys, and get the stuff for the chickens ready. Let's go. Follow me. Okay. Get that one. Good. Spinning it. Okay. And the watering can. Let's go. Hope you're not there. No, not that way. Let's go and get the other bits.
Yeah.
We got the buckets and everything we need.
Have you got the straw
Yeah,
and the bucket?
yeah.
So where do we need to go?
We need to go to the chickens.
Here we are, at the chickens, aren't we? So we need to do them out.
Oh no, someone's at the door.
Someone's at the door?
Yeah.
Should we go and see who it is?
Yeah.
Hold on. The gate.
Okay, let's go. Sunny. Some sleep.
Oh wow, look, we've got loads of logs.
Log delivery.
Look at
Oh,
these top pots.
here's
All
that
this wood.
big.
Wow, they're big woods. What are we going to do with all this, Top Pots?
We have to make a fire. We'll do it for the fire.
Oh wow, I can hear a helicopter as well. There's a helicopter.
So, these are my dad and my friends. I'll show you. Here they are. And it's for the fire to keep us really cozy and warm. I'll keep showing you, but I will say something later. Good as we go.
Those big ones.
1 hour later. That's a big one.
That's a big one.
That'll keep us really cozy.
Yes.
You going to help us chop them up, Top Pots?
Yeah.
Cut them into the log.
But I might cut myself, so I need some help.
Yeah.
And now, 2 hours later. Dad said 2 hours later.
Yeah, it is 2 hours later.
I only can see you like there. Can't see you like close to the camera because I'm far away. Daddy, that's a long one. That won't fit in the fire. Will it? I can see. Do you know them? I can't see your head.
Wow, look at that one.
That one.
They look like it's off like a tree or something.
Yeah, a tree. I chopped it down yesterday.
That. Sam did good work on them. Oh no! Ow!
Wow, there's that helicopter coming up there, Top Pot. Whoa.
Oh yeah, there's that. Wait, is that in? No. Yeah. Look like sheep.
Yeah. So that's why the tree was dangerous and chopping down. It was rotting, look. Oh, it's all falling to pieces. See it?
On holiday, I saw a tree like that.
Yeah, look. That's not good for a tree. Rotten.
Yeah, bits.
But it makes good firewood.
Pieces down there. I can easily break that.
Because it's rotten.
It feels like stones. There's a leaf in there. Some ounces in there.
Is there any bugs?
Think.
Any bugs? Any woodlouse?
Might be in here.
Found one here as well.
Oh no!
Have a look at this hole.
That's big.
Look. See, it's all breaking away.
Yeah, that bit.
Rotten.
Yeah. Oh, that bit is. And that bit. Yeah, it's too hard. That bit's big top. That bit. Look. There. Look. Look, it's compost.
Let's have a look. See, friends.
This one looks old. Hey, this is wood. And someone chopped off a tree. Do you know who? My dad's friend.
Yeah, my friend.
Yeah. It's called Ramsel.
Yes.
He went to Wales with us.
Ah.
And Daddy came on my sister.
Ooh.
And my big sister was a little bit naughty. Because she slept with me and I didn't like it. And so and when we went to Holland, Gemma came. Because she didn't came last year. Yeah. Now let's go and see the chicken sunbathing.
Sunbathing?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
They'll think that's funny. There they are.
Where?
There. One's mucking in the mud. Them two were something, but they're not. They are. That one's really good sunbathing, that one is.
Wow. What are they doing, Tots?
They're digging for worms. They love worms. When I find some, I just put them in the mouths. But they don't. They're allergic to crisps.
Are they?
Yeah,
Oh, why?
because when they ate them before when they were babies
Yeah.
and they were poorly. So they're not allowed crisps.
Oh, okay.
They're allowed cucumber chopped up in little pieces though. But they like mud better. They like squishing up together anyway. Then they're allowed them. And they like leaves. And they do like leaves.
You got any woodlouse? Wow,
Like
it's a woodlouse. The chickens see the woodlouse. Wow.
That's dead. Dead one there. Whoa. They like woodlice. Yeah, there's just a beetle there. They don't like beetles. So what? There. See a baby one. Do you like those petals? Yeah. They like leaves the most. That was still sunbathing. Do you know that was a fake flower? I got that for my birthday. My wreath. And that goes in there. They like me too. They're the feathers.
Oh, they're fluffy.
It's just
Shall we go and
enough wood.
continue and clean out their pen, shall we?
Yeah,
Let's go.
let's go.
Come on,
I'm in the place.
come on, let's get this clean now then,
Is
Tots.
it recording?
Yes. Come on. I'll put my gloves on. Tell your friends why we need to put the gloves on.
Because we might get germs. If we put our fingers in our mouth, we might be sick.
Yeah.
First, we need to clean out the
Turn around. Put this, let's put this here.
Okay.
I'm going to put the tray here, can't I?
Ew, that's dirty. Yeah. That's the chickens.
Right, get your bucket. Put the bucket on the floor.
That's heavy already.
Put it down on the floor and we can get a coat then, have you?
Oh, that's so. It's getting full already, is it?
Yeah. Does it smell?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't now. What's in the chicken pen?
Second.
What's in the chicken pen?
Where is it?
There is. It's Honey Bear. No, it's Baby Bear. Well, what got it down there?
Let's take that off. Use that. Need to wash that in a minute.
Dirty. Okay. Wait, what is that now? Tired. That's weird.
Yeah, then clean this out and put that in there.
No,
Use the shovel.
it's a garden one. It's got feathers in. No. I can't get it out.
Oh,
No.
push it through.
And that had a neighbour. I don't want it. Oh no! Why? They're going in there. Okay.
So,
We have to wash them after.
yeah.
Done! That's dirty! Put them there. Hi, baby bear. It's going to fall.
I'm packing my shoes. Come on, chicks.
Why do you say Tim? I'll show them the hay. Here's the hay, guys. it.
Yeah.
Why do heck it
We'll put this in the bin and back in a minute.
Oh, baby bear.
Yeah.
Ah! I'm gonna poo.
Can you look at the rear top?
Yes. Baby bear comes on. The chicken duck was straight off. Get out.
How's that?
Good.
What we need to do now?
Is
Whoosh. Tell her. Tell her. Turn around.
we're going to wash it.
What are we going to do? Watch this.
No. We're going to wash the pan. So, nice and clean. Get that. Get the water. Right, YouTubers, we've done it.
What have we done?
We cleaned it out.
Yeah.
And the chickens are still sunbathing. And now we're going to fix it back together. We're going to have my dad's help.
I'm going to put that one in the first, so top pots.
That one in there.
Yeah. So that one goes.
What about that one? It's too big.
Oh dear. Pick that other one up.
Right, let's put the button in. Oh no, there's a chick on there. Now, let's do it. It's too heavy. Daddy, I need your help.
Oh, okay. Where's it going?
Yep.
That's it. Push it in then, Tots.
Okay.
Wow. All the way in. Wow. Okay. That looks nice and clean, doesn't it?
Yep. That where they laid the eggs.
Yeah.
That's their bed. Some chicks have to sleep there, or there, because there's not room in there.
Okay.
We've got 4.
Yeah.
And now let's put the hay in. Now we're not allowed to put that in because they stand up and do that. Sometimes they lay down in the mud.
Stand up and do what, Tots?
Stand up and sleep.
Oh, right. Okay.
Like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So where are we putting the straw then?
In here.
Okay.
Don't want to get up. No matter about that. that subscribe button. And we're nearly to 8 subscribers, so give this video a few thumbs up.
Oh yes, a few thumbs up.
Yeah.
I wonder how many other people have chickens, Tots. Ah.
Blake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's got loads. He's got 10.
Wow.
Cause he gave him what, I got straw in my hair. And he gave me 4 more, and Queen Bear is the boss.
So they make the bed look nice and fluffy.
Now we're gonna get more. They'll get more. So they said they'll get mush, so I shiver their bottoms.
Ah, is the bed nearly done?
Yeah.
Oh wow, there's loads of story there, isn't it, Hot Pots?
Yeah. There, finished.
Look at all that straw. That'll make it nice and comfy, won't it, when you lay the eggs?
Ooh, finished.
You've done the water.
Yep. Right. If you like this video or trying to get to cleaning your chickens out, you give us a 3 thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn notification. See you YouTubers later. Bye.